Hey guys, okay. So remember when I did my 5 garden failures, one of my beds I thought was spinach blight. Well, Luke from In My Gardener reached out to me and he said, Rachel, I hate to tell you, but that's herbicide, residual herbicide damage. 100% not blight. He knew what it was. I can't figure out how it happened. I guess I'm not going to worry about that, but he told me how to fix it. So we're going to do that today. I'm going to take a couple extra steps that he didn't mention just to be super safe. And we're going to plant some corn where I tried to grow my spinach. So hopefully this helps anyone out there dealing with that in their garden spaces. Things that people are telling them are residual herbicide, what you might be able to do to still potentially get a harvest this year. We're going to monitor how the corn grows and see if we can get a crop. Today is the last day, no, tomorrow is the last day to sow corn here in our area, at least from the farmer's planning perspective. So we're going to get that done today, and I'm going to take you guys with me.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
So this is the bed. I'm going to pull up one of the plants and just show you what I was dealing with. Okay, number one, like it came up really easy. The roots were like basically nothing. And it's just crumbly, crunchy, never grew, awful. Now I do have the lettuce, oddly, that reseeded itself, these 3 lettuces from last year. It's growing fine. I'm dealing with some weeds, so I'm going to get those out, get all the spinach out. I have a couple volunteer carrots from last year. But anyway, we're going to clear the bed. I'm not sure. I do have, can you guys see that? Yep, at the back. I do have 3 cauliflowers growing back there that are growing really well. And on this end, I have my sugar snap peas. I wouldn't say they look super healthy, but they do have flowers and peas on them. So I'm gonna let them stay, just so I can get that harvest.
Give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you. Ooh, ooh.
So real quick, while I'm here, man, frame a little bit. I have a volunteer tomato growing right here that I'm going to transplant, and 2 nasturtiums in both corners. So we're going to take those up and transplant those. The cauliflower I'll leave here, and the peas. I'm not sure what the rules are with respect to cauliflower being buried in like soil on the stem. So we're just going to chance it, I guess. Okay, next, Luke said, oh, all the bed's clear. He told me to get all the straw out that I could. I got everything out that I could. So now I'm going to put down direct compost, which is bagged cow manure compost. And then I'm going to put on the bags of organic gardening soil mix, which is for outdoors, not potting mix, on top of that. I'll amend it with some nitrogen because I am planting corn in here, so it's Corn's a heavy nitrogen feeder, and we'll see if it works.
Hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaf.
Okay guys, well the bed is all supposedly repaired. Let's say beginning to end, from pulling weeds, pouring the bags of soil and stuff and clearing it out, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I just dug rows, so I'm gonna go grab my corn seeds and we're gonna plant the corn. You guys know I'm a huge In My Gardener supporter. This is not, unfortunately, In My Gardener seeds because I tried to plant my corn too early and it got drowned. They don't tell me how many seeds are in a packet, so I'm not sure if I got enough, too much. Man, I went in to edit this video for you guys and I thought I filmed the ending. I must have not hit record. Same day, I just wanted to say a big thanks to Luke. He's always a great encouragement and very quick to tell me when I did something wrong, which I appreciate. I can handle it. I got about, I don't know, I didn't count the seeds. I would say 75 to 90. Corn started in the bed. Now I'm just going to keep you guys updated on how it goes through the growing season. I do know that corn might not be the best test because I think some of the herbicides that they use, corn's not affected by. So I guess it just depends on which variety I have a residual problem with. Leave any comments below. If you would have done something different, tell me. I'm always interested in how other people would have managed problems in their garden. So this is very new territory for me. Again, 4th year gardener, that's all the experience I have. So thanks guys for watching, and if you haven't checked out some of our other gardening videos, we'll leave a link up here so you can check out some of the successes that we've had. Talk to you guys later.